Yo, welcome to Yolanda's Automobile Vision. So today we have BMW X4M and BONOSS wheel spacers and this shell type lock bolt key. So this is BMW X4M and he has the ideal recipe for a perfect car. It has the space and practicality of an SUV, but at the same time, it has the performance of a sports car. It takes the ordinary of X4, but at the same time, it's so fun to drive as M4. And the engine of this thing is extremely great. It's 3-liter straight 6 designed by BMW to serve as the beating heart to the next generation M3 and M4. In the standard X4M, it makes 473 horsepower, and in this X4M competition pack, it makes 503 with 447 foot-pounds of torque. It will bend out not to 62 in under 4.5 seconds. So in today's video, we are going to measure the thickness we need for wheel spacers and install wheel spacers and this shell type lock bolt key. Let's do the measuring work first. So as we can see, the number here is 5 millimeters. So for a good looking of the vehicle, the wheel spacer size we need could be 5 millimeters. And the number here is 15 millimeters. So the thickness of wheel spacers here would be 15 millimeters. Now I have the right size wheel spacers here, and the center bore is 666 millimeters, and the lock pattern is 5x112, and it also fits BMW 3 Series, and so on.
And these wheel spacers are like a plus design compared to common wheel spacers. These wheel spacers reduce 20% of weight.
And you must notice that there is a small group behind the wheel spacers. And what is it? It's what we call the assembly group. The assembly group is what we made it purposely for you to easily remove or uninstall your wheel spacers easily.
Before we get started actually installing the wheel spacers, we need to talk about your safety.
So you can see the ordinary lugs are extremely short. You don't have enough space, enough stretch for your wheel spacers. Therefore, what you need is an extended wheel bolt such like this. The reason why I brought this here is not only because they are wheel bolts, but also the lock for your vehicle wheels. Because once you install them on your wheels, you have to remove it with the specific socket. And this is 14 by 1.5 thread forged with SCM 440 high strength steel, which means it won't be broken easily and protect your vehicle's life and also yours. We have 8 colors and different sizes for different cars. You can choose whatever you like. See that there is a shell for it. It's not only for good looking, but protect your wheel bolts from debris and water corrosion. After watching the before and after look, you must make your decision in your own mind. And for more information, I will put the official link of BONOSS down below. And make sure you subscribe and like, and see you next time.